I think this is one of the greatest dishes of all time in Korean cuisine. It is called Jeyuk Bokeum, stir-fried spicy pork to roughly translate. It is simple, humble, and most importantly, it is damn tasty. It is unofficially top 3 lunch menu in Korea voted by guys. Okay, enough for the talk, let's go to work. The process is simple. 1. Marinate the pork. 2. Stir fry it. Alright, I'm making 2 portions. Combine 2 heaped spoons or 80 grams of gochujang, 3 or 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of MSG, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 teaspoons of meat tenderizer. Let's move on to the pork. Better meat, better result always. What part to use is up to you. Just don't use the lean part though, such as loin. My recommendation is pork shoulder. Pork belly will be delicious but can be too greasy. I'm using pork leg actually because I'm poor, goddammit. 500 grams, the thinner the better. If you can't get the thin meat, then you should get some decent quality pork shoulder, which is not tough. Put the meat into the marinade and rub. Just make sure that the sauce coat every side of the meat. After it's done, you can leave it in the fridge overnight, or if you are impatient like me, just cook it about 30 minutes later. Next, let's talk about some other ingredients. I want to keep it simple, so my only choice for now is spring onion. It is so versatile, it makes the oil fragrant and also goes well with the pork. You can put it something like oyster mushroom, onions, or other veggies you like. But I don't recommend veggies like cabbage, eggplant, zucchini because it can make the dish watery. I cut the spring onion into 3 types. One is relatively fine chop, which is for flavoring the oil at the very first. 2 is cut into diagonal, which is for sub-ingredient along with the meat. And 3, some green part sliced for the garnish. All preps are done, get your pan out. I'm using Chinese wok, but I think wok-shaped non-stick pan is the best option. We don't need some rocket fire for this. The marinade can be burned if you make a mistake. Medium-high heat is just fine. And why I'm using Chinese wok? Because it's cool. I'm learning how to use it. It is really hard to use but really fun in the same time. Anyways, preheat your pan nice and hot. I'm seasoning the wok, otherwise the food will stick forever. Seasoning done, add oil, and you should add finely chopped spring onions first, not like me adding the meat first. I made a mistake, obviously. You better fry the spring onion first until a little bit golden. Anyways, stir and toss constantly. It can be easily burned if you stop stirring, so you have to focus. And for the kick, I'm going to blowtorch the meat while tossing it. I'm manually making wok because my stove is not that powerful. It will be perfect if you roast it directly above the charcoal fire, by the way. I'm imitating the charcoal roasted aroma. When halfway done, spring onions in. You should not put in spring onions too early, otherwise it will be mushy. Once the decent mild reaction is made, cut the heat and drizzle some sesame seed oil optionally. Jeyuk Bokeum is now done. In a good donburi bowl, white streamy rice, pour over your beautiful jeyuk generously. Garnish with spring onion, sesame seed, and sesame seed oil. Finally, it's time to taste. I'm starving now. Overall, it was so good. Guaranteed flavor. The richness of roasted gochujang flavor with the pork is just stunning. I can say Jeyuk Bokeum is one of the most popular soul foods of Korea. Everyone loves it. So easy to make, almost impossible to fail. Furthermore, I think Jeyuk Bokeum has great possibility to marriage with many types of liquor. I think with lager or red wine is best, excellent with soju or rice wine, and also with whiskey will be nice too. I highly recommend you to make your own jeyuk and try it. You will be rewarded. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.